Calm down. Relax. You don't need to go to the hospital to cure the inflammation in your body, much less eat hospital food, which honestly isn't that great. Today, you're going to discover the power of an anti-inflammatory breakfast that is not only delicious, but also brings many benefits to your body. Did you know that inflammation can be the root of many health issues, from fatigue to chronic diseases? What if I told you that the secret to fighting this could start with what you eat first thing in the morning? Would you believe it? In this video, I'll show you an easy and tasty recipe filled with ingredients that are true warriors in the fight against inflammation. You'll find out how these foods can transform your breakfast into a powerful tool for your health and well-being. Moreover, you'll learn about the main culprits that might be sabotaging your health without you even realizing it. So tell me, have you been feeling tired, bloated, or maybe a bit out of shape lately? Are you ready to transform your health starting with the first meal of the day? Stay with me because what you're about to learn now could change your life forever. Let's get started. Definition of inflammation. Inflammation is a natural response of the body to injuries or infections, essential for healing. However, when this response becomes chronic, it can cause more harm than benefits. Imagine it as if the body's security system is always on, even when there are no real invaders to fight. This continual state can damage healthy tissues and contribute to long-term diseases. To better understand, let's use the example of a sprained ankle. Initially, it swells, becomes warm and red, which is a sign that your body is fighting the injury, sending healing cells to the area. This is acute inflammation, something good and temporary. Now, imagine this reaction happening constantly in different parts of your body without an obvious injury. This can lead to serious problems. Here's a tip. To help control inflammation naturally, incorporate more omega-3 rich foods, like salmon and flaxseed, into your diet. These are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Also, avoid processed foods and those high in sugars, as they can trigger or worsen inflammatory processes. Think of your diet as part of your toolkit to keep your body running smoothly like a well-oiled machine. Common causes of inflammation. Chronic inflammation can be fueled by various everyday factors, and understanding these causes can help us take preventative measures. Some of the biggest culprits include diet. Foods high in refined sugars, such as sodas, cakes, and sweets, as well as those high in trans fats, found in many fried and processed foods, are known to trigger inflammation. Alcohol, when consumed in excess, can also contribute to this inflammatory state. Another important factor is lifestyle. Chronic stress, for example, constantly activates the body's inflammatory response. Similarly, lack of sleep can impair the body's ability to combat inflammation, as it is during sleep that the body repairs and regenerates. Choose your foods better. Integrate more fruits and vegetables into your diet, as they are rich in antioxidants that help combat inflammation. Spices like turmeric and ginger are also excellent for their anti-inflammatory properties.
For more information on diets and how they can help you lose weight, scan the QR code on the screen or click the first pinned comment to learn about the top 50 best diets for weight loss, a complete guide to achieve the body you've always desired.
Moderate alcohol and avoid fried foods. Opt for cooking at home, where you can control the ingredients and cooking methods, favoring baking and grilling over frying. Stress management and adequate sleep. Practice relaxation techniques, such as meditation or yoga, and try to maintain a regular sleep routine to ensure your body has enough time for repair processes. Health impacts. Chronic inflammation can be an underlying factor in many serious and chronic health conditions. Over time, it is linked to the development of heart disease, increasing the risk of blockages and damage to the arteries. It is also associated with an elevated risk of type 2 diabetes, as it can affect how your body processes glucose. Moreover, conditions like arthritis and even certain types of cancer have been linked to persistently high levels of inflammation. Here are some practical examples and tips on how to reduce inflammation and consequently lower the risk of such diseases. Diet rich in fiber and antioxidants. Consuming a variety of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help reduce inflammation. Foods like berries, nuts, seeds, and leafy greens are excellent sources of antioxidants and fibers that help keep your immune system strong and your inflammatory response balanced. Include healthy fats in your diet. Omega-3 fats, found in fish like salmon and sardines, and in plant sources like chia and walnuts, are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help reduce systemic inflammation. Regular exercise. Regular physical activity, not only helps maintain a healthy body weight, but can also reduce inflammation. It doesn't have to be anything extreme. Activities like brisk walking, swimming, or yoga are sufficient to reap the benefits. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol consumption. Smoking is a known trigger for inflammation, while excessive alcohol can disrupt the body's inflammatory balance. Reducing or eliminating these habits can have a significant impact on reducing inflammation. By adopting these practices, you not only lower your inflammatory response, but also promote a healthier lifestyle that can prevent a range of chronic diseases. Simple changes in daily life can have a profound effect on your overall health in the long term. The importance of breakfast in your diet. Breakfast is often called the most important meal of the day, and for good reasons. Starting your day with a nutritious meal not only fuels your body with energy, but also sets the tone for the dietary choices for the rest of the day. A well-balanced breakfast can stabilize blood sugar levels, improve concentration, and prevent binging on unhealthy snacks later. Practical tip: try starting your day with a bowl of oatmeal. Oats are high in fiber, which helps reduce cholesterol and keeps you full longer, avoiding unnecessary snacking. Add berries and a spoonful of chia seeds for a powerful anti-inflammatory boost. Additionally, a breakfast that includes anti-inflammatory elements can help fight chronic inflammation. This not only has a positive impact on weight management, but also on overall health, aiding in the prevention of inflammation-related conditions such as heart disease and diabetes. Trick: prepare green smoothies in the morning. Blend spinach or kale with low glycemic index fruits like green apples and pears, and a source of healthy fats like avocado. This drink is quick to make, delicious, and packed with nutrients that combat inflammation. By integrating these habits into your breakfast routine, you not only improve your daily nutritional intake, but also enjoy the anti-inflammatory benefits these foods offer. It's a simple way to take care of your health right at the start of the day, ensuring you're ready to tackle whatever the day brings. And to help you reduce inflammation, explore the top 50 best diets for weight loss, featuring a chapter dedicated specifically to the anti-inflammatory diet. Also check out the Ultimate Meal Planner, 10-day menus for your weight loss journey, a complete guide with 2,000 recipes, including breakfast, lunch, snack, and dinner. For more information on diets, scan the QR code on the screen or click on the first pinned comment. Specific benefits of anti-inflammatory foods. Incorporating anti-inflammatory foods into your breakfast is not only beneficial for your health, it's also a delicious opportunity to diversify your diet. Here are some star foods that you can start including in your first meal of the day, each with its own specific benefits to combat inflammation. Avocados. Rich in healthy fats and low in fructose, avocados are excellent for reducing inflammation. They also provide a good amount of fiber and potassium. A tip is to mash avocado with a little lemon and salt and spread it on whole grain toast for a quick and nutritious breakfast. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are full of antioxidants, which help neutralize free radicals in the body, reducing inflammation. Add berries to natural yogurt or your cereal bowl for an antioxidant-rich start to the day. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, both known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Mix these nuts and seeds into a smoothie, or sprinkle them on your oatmeal for a textural and nutritional boost. Practical tip: for an inflammation-fighting breakfast, try preparing a smoothie bowl. Use frozen bananas as a base for natural sweetness, add a handful of spinach for iron and antioxidants, a spoonful of almond butter for protein and healthy fats, and a handful of berries for antioxidant power. Blend everything with a bit of almond milk or coconut water for a refreshing and anti-inflammatory morning meal. Trick: if you're in a hurry, prepare smoothie packs at the start of the week with all your favorite ingredients. Just throw them in the blender, add your liquid of choice, and your nutritious breakfast will be ready in minutes. By incorporating these foods into your breakfast, you not only enjoy a delicious meal, but also take advantage of their anti-inflammatory benefits, promoting health and well-being right from the start of the day.
If these tips were helpful, click like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything.
Long-term health impact. Adopting an anti-inflammatory breakfast not only provides immediate benefits to your day, such as energy and satisfaction, but it can also have lasting and transformative effects on your overall health. Let's explore how this simple change in the first meal of the day can reduce the risk of various chronic diseases and significantly improve your quality of life. Reduction of chronic disease risk. Diets rich in anti-inflammatory foods are associated with a lower risk of diseases like type 2 diabetes and heart disease. These foods help regulate blood sugar and maintain cholesterol levels in check, protecting arteries from inflammation and harmful buildups. Practical tip: include whole grains like quinoa or oats in your breakfast. They are high in fiber and help control blood glucose levels, in addition to providing sustained energy throughout the day. Improvement in digestion and energy. Anti-inflammatory foods help promote a healthy gut flora, essential for good digestion and nutrient absorption. With a well-functioning gut, your body can better combat inflammation, and you'll experience a natural increase in energy. Trick: add probiotics such as natural yogurt or kefir to your breakfast, along with prebiotic foods like bananas or leeks to support gut health. Impact on mental health. Inflammation has been linked to mental health conditions, such as depression and anxiety. A breakfast rich in anti-inflammatory nutrients can help moderate these effects, contributing to more stable emotional well-being. Practical tip: start the day with a bowl of oatmeal spiced with cinnamon, mixed with nuts, and a serving of berries. This combination is not only delicious, but also packed with antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and fibers, which are excellent for the brain and mood. By understanding and applying this information, you are taking powerful steps to improve not only your physical health, but also your emotional and mental well-being, starting each day on the right foot. Now that you know the incredible benefits of an anti-inflammatory breakfast, why not reevaluate your morning choices? Small changes such as introducing more fruits, nuts, and whole grains can transform not only your meal, but your overall well-being. I challenge you to try new ingredients and recipes in the coming weeks. It can be an exciting process to discover delicious combinations that nourish your body and mind. Remember, every step counts, and adjusting your breakfast is a simple and powerful step towards better health. How about starting tomorrow with something new on your plate?
How do you plan to lose weight? Leave your answer in the comments.
Ingredient selection. When crafting an anti-inflammatory breakfast, choosing the right ingredients is crucial to maximizing both health benefits and flavor. Let's explore how to select the best ingredients to start your day off right. Avocado. This fruit is an excellent source of monounsaturated fats, known for their anti-inflammatory properties. It is also rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. To choose a perfect avocado, look for ones that yield slightly to pressure, indicating ripeness without being overripe. Ginger. Known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, ginger can be added to smoothies or teas. When buying fresh ginger, look for firm and smooth roots without wrinkles, which indicate freshness. Blueberries. High in antioxidants and with powerful anti-inflammatory effects, blueberries are perfect for adding to cereals, yogurts, or smoothies. Choose blueberries that are firm and uniformly colored. Avoid those that appear shriveled or moist, which can indicate the beginning of spoilage. Shopping tips: seasonality. Opt to buy fruits and vegetables in their season, which not only ensures better flavor and nutritional value, but is also usually more economical. Organic versus conventional. Whenever possible, choose organic products to avoid pesticides and chemicals, especially for items like fruits and vegetables that are consumed raw. Alternatives and substitutions. For those who are lactose intolerant or follow a vegan diet, substitute regular yogurt with coconut or almond yogurt. If you can't find fresh blueberries, frozen ones are an excellent alternative, as they are frozen at the peak of ripeness and maintain a high nutrient content. Step-by-step demonstration. Now that we've selected our anti-inflammatory focused ingredients, let's dive into preparing a delicious breakfast recipe that is not only healthy, but also very simple to make. On today's menu, we'll be making an anti-inflammatory green smoothie and avocado toast with egg. Anti-inflammatory green smoothie. Ingredients. For this smoothie, you will need 1 cup of fresh spinach, 1 medium banana, 1/2 cup of chopped pineapple or mango, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 small piece of peeled ginger, and 1 cup of coconut water or filtered water. Preparation. Start by adding the liquid to the blender, followed by the spinach, fruits, ginger, and chia seeds. Blend until smooth. The ginger adds a spicy kick and enhances the anti-inflammatory benefits of the smoothie. Tip: if you like your smoothie colder, use frozen fruits or add some ice cubes before blending. Avocado toast with egg. Ingredients. You will need 1 slice of whole grain bread, 1 tao, a ripe avocado, 1 egg, salt and pepper to taste, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. Preparation. Toast the bread until it is golden and crispy. Meanwhile, mash the avocado with a fork and season with salt and pepper. Spread the mashed avocado on the toasted bread. Cook the egg to your liking, poached, fried, or boiled, and place it on top of the avocado. Finish with a pinch of cayenne pepper for a slight spicy kick and additional anti-inflammatory benefits. Trick: for a perfect poached egg, add a little vinegar to the boiling water and create a swirl before adding the egg. This will help the egg white wrap around the yolk. See how easy it is to start the day with flavor and a lot of energy. With the right combination of ingredients, it's possible not only to improve health, but also to create delicious meals.
To learn more about diets and how they can help you lose weight, scan the QR code on the screen or click the first pinned comment to learn about the top 50 best diets for weight loss. a complete guide to help you achieve the body you've always dreamed of.
Additional nutrition tips. Here are some extra nutrition tips to maximize the benefits of anti-inflammatory foods. Nutrient combination. When preparing any meal, think about how the ingredients can work together to enhance nutrient absorption. For example, vitamin C in citrus fruits can help with the absorption of iron from green vegetables, like the spinach in your smoothie. Use of spices. Add spices such as turmeric and black pepper when cooking. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, and black pepper increases the bioavailability of its active component, curcumin, making it more effective. Avoid overcooking. Overcooked food can lose important nutrients. For example, overcooking vegetables can degrade their vitamins and minerals. Learn the correct cooking times to maintain their beneficial properties. Watch for additives. Avoid using too much salt or sugar. Opt for natural alternatives like honey, agave, or use herbs and spices to add flavor without compromising the meal's benefits. Vary the ingredients. To avoid monotony and ensure a range of nutrients, rotate the ingredients in your smoothie or toast regularly. Try different types of fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Themed recipes. Create themed variations according to the season. In summer, opt for fresh and light ingredients like strawberries and cucumber. In winter, include more substantial and warming foods like apples and squash.
In the description and on the end screen, we have a playlist featuring numerous videos on diets and advanced weight loss techniques. Take a look.
I'd like to emphasize the importance of starting the day with food choices that not only satisfy the palate, but also promote health and well-being. Adopting an anti-inflammatory breakfast can be a simple yet powerful change that benefits your health both in the short and long term. Try the recipes and tips we shared today and see how small changes in the first meal of the day can transform your health in ways you might never have imagined. Remember, every food choice is an opportunity to nourish your body and protect your health.